Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is Gundruk Achar, and this is very famous dish in Nepal. So let's get started with the ingredients. To prepare a Gundruk Achar, here I have 1 cup of Gundruk. I have taken Torik Gundruk and I have some chopped cilantro, chopped spring onion and some slice of ginger and garlic, some green chilies and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and I have salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and fenugreek seeds, and some roasted dry chilies and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds, 1 medium sized boiled tomato, and I have this roasted soya bean seeds. My first step is I'm gonna soak this gundruk, and I have added the warm water. I'll keep this for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare this masala. So for that, red chilies and this roasted cumin seeds. I'll grind this. I'm gonna grind this ginger and garlic too. And I'm gonna grind this tomato as well. So now this masala paste is ready. So now this gundruk also ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze the water from this gundruk. So now in the same grinder, I'm gonna little bit grind this gundruk too. Then I'm gonna add this paste which I have made earlier, and this spring onion, cilantro, green chilies, and lemon juice, and this soya bean seeds. Next step is, in a pan I'm gonna add little bit of oil, and then methi seeds, and add this turmeric powder too. And I'm gonna add this oil on this gundruk, and I'm gonna add salt. Now mix them nicely. So now our Gundruk Achar is ready. Gundruk achar is ready to be served and looks really yummy. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me a feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.